The legal troubles facing Joseph Duggar and Kendra Duggar have taken another significant turn after a judge ruled against one of Joseph's recent requests, shedding new light on the defense strategy that has emerged since the couple became embroiled in multiple legal battles. For months, public attention has focused on the allegations surrounding the former 19 kids and counting family members. Both Joseph and Kendra have denied wrongdoing and entered not guilty pleas in the cases they face. However, recent court developments suggest that their legal team faces growing challenges as proceedings continue. The latest ruling centered on Joseph Duggar's attempt to modify restrictions that were imposed following his arrest. According to court reports, Joseph sought permission for unsupervised contact with his children and requested changes to other conditions connected to a no-contact order. The court ultimately denied those requests, concluding that the restrictions should remain in place while the case moves forward. The decision represents a setback for a defense strategy that appeared focused on portraying Joseph as a family man whose current restrictions were creating hardships for his wife and children. Court filings emphasize the impact the limitations were having on family relationships and daily life. The ruling reinforced the position that concerns connected to the allegations outweigh arguments about personal inconvenience or family disruption at this stage of the proceedings. Legal observers have noted that the outcome may reveal an important aspect of the defense's broader approach. Rather than focusing exclusively on challenging the underlying allegations, recent filings have also sought adjustments to court-imposed restrictions. Such requests can sometimes serve multiple purposes: providing practical relief to a defendant, testing how receptive a court may be to future motions, and shaping public perception of the accused during ongoing litigation. At the same time, the legal situation remains complicated by the fact that Joseph and Kendra are also facing separate charges in Arkansas. Those allegations are distinct from the Florida case and involve accusations related to child endangerment and false imprisonment. Both Joseph and Kendra have pleaded not guilty to those charges as well. The existence of multiple legal proceedings has increased scrutiny of every court filing and hearing. Each decision is being viewed not only for its immediate impact, but also for what it may reveal about future legal strategies. In recent months, reports have indicated that Kendra obtained separate legal representation, a move that attracted attention because it suggested the possibility of differing legal interests as the cases progress. Meanwhile, recorded communications that became public have offered additional insight into how the couple has approached their legal challenges. Reports described conversations in which caution, limited communication, and reliance on legal counsel were emphasized. Those discussions fueled speculation about how carefully the defense team is managing information while preparing for future court appearances. Despite the recent setback, legal experts frequently caution that pretrial rulings do not determine the ultimate outcome of a criminal case. Judges routinely make decisions regarding bail conditions, no-contact orders, and procedural matters that are separate from the question of guilt or innocence. A denied motion can create obstacles for a defense team, but it does not necessarily predict what will happen when the underlying allegations are eventually litigated. For Joseph and Kendra Duggar, however, the ruling is significant because it demonstrates that the court is currently unwilling to relax restrictions that were imposed after the allegations surfaced. That reality may force defense attorneys to reconsider portions of their strategy as they prepare for future hearings. The coming months are expected to be critical. Additional court appearances, motions, and evidentiary disputes could further shape the direction of both cases. Prosecutors will continue building their arguments, while defense attorneys will seek opportunities to challenge allegations and protect their clients' interests. Until then, the judge's decision stands as one of the most consequential developments in the legal saga so far. While Joseph Duggar's legal team sought relief through a strategy centered in part on family access and modified restrictions, the court's refusal to grant those requests underscores the seriousness with which the allegations are being treated. As the cases move forward, both supporters and critics will be watching closely to see what legal steps come next and whether future rulings alter the trajectory of a controversy that continues to attract widespread attention.